In this exercise, we're gonna roll our shoulders. Roll them up and roll them down. And look if you can integrate your breathing rhythm with the exercise. Inhale up, exhale down. Let's always do the exercise at your own rhythm, at your own pace, and try to bring in the whole shoulder blade, like your shoulder blades want to kiss on the back, to hug each other. It's a movement of all the shoulder blades, and maybe your arms want to go. Maybe you feel like a bigger movement, with your arms stretched, or your arms like this. Make it an intuitive moment, your yoga moment, your exercise. I'm gonna leave the exercise now. Always feel free to close your eyes and listen what this exercise has brought you to your body from the inside. See you in the next exercise.